Hi, I'm Scotty with Parkwood Studios, and tonight we're going to be talking about the Lume Cube. Hi, I'm Scotty with Parkwood Studios, and tonight we're going to be talking about a new product called the Lume Cube. It is advertised as the world's most versatile light. It is rechargeable via USB cable. We used a rapid charger here to get some charge on it right before the shoot. It's also fully waterproof to 100 feet. Now, one thing I want to show you really fast is there's this little piece on the back where you put the charger on. That little piece has to be in for it to be waterproof, folks. If not, you're gonna have a really bad day if you take it in. As with everything else these days, there's an app for it so that you can link to your phone via Bluetooth. You can also sync and control multiple lights. This little guy is pretty bright. This is the lowest setting. They're great for various uses. Let's say you're shooting in a really small, tight space. Maybe you're in a car or whatever, and you can't put normal lighting in there. Well, look how much light this thing is gonna throw on my face just from right in here. You could just use a small mounting tape, just put it right up in here. Great for that type of lighting, especially if you wanna get real dramatic. If you like a little bit of a touch of flare, you can always put it underneath a drink or even inside the drink, depending on how creative you wanna get. How many people these days are doing videos on your cell phone? Well, if you have one of these handy dandy little cell phone holders, but now I can do my cell phone interview. Got my cell phone kicking here, I've got all the light I need, I can turn it up if I need a little bit more, and away we go for our recording. There's also a lot of accessories that are available for these now online. There are colorized filters for them, there's diffusion filters, there are grids for them. The price on them is around $80. You can also get the clip and the cube for around $100. That's up on their website. It's really a great deal. If you do a lot with video, especially with SLRs or with your cell phone, these are a great way to get light in those dim subjects. Thanks for tuning in. This has been a quick review by Scotty on the Lume Cube.